Hi guys, it's me Marian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Shuben Acadie Wildlife Park. Today is my son's 5th birthday. So ito yung birthday treat namin sa kanya. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami ng family ko. Let's check out what's in here. Happy birthday Nicolo. Happy birthday Nicolo. Happy birthday, Kuya Nicolo. Happy birthday to you. Ang laki pala ng park na to. So yan, maglalakad tayo for today's vlog. Puro lakad ang gagawin natin ngayon.
Pupunta natin, black bear.
Yan, gusto namin makakita ng black bear.
Peter, wolf, tsaka yung coyote.
Coyote, yung nakakita na ako
Coyote.
niyan.
Let's go, let's see.
Let's go. So pupunta kami ngayon sa black bear. Curious kami kung anong itsura ng black bear, guys. Rocks. You wanna walk? Itong anak ko na to, sobrang sipag niyan maglakad. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, baligtad. Yung kuya yung nasa stroller. At ito ang panay lakad. Anis! Oh, it's the black bear. What is that, Nicolo? What's that? Bear. Parang si Sean.
Hello.
Oh, hi, little buddy. How do you do it?
Looks like it's safe.
That's the bear, black bear, guys.
He's actually the one who saw it first. He told me, look daddy, there's a black bear. You saw the black bear?
Bear daw.
Look. Look.
What's that?
Look.
What is that?
Look.
Look, what's that?
Take a video. Oh no, what happened? There's a big peacock.
What's that? Peacock?
Peacock? It's only the male peacock
Hi.
who does that.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Nicola, what's that?
Ow. Ow. I see. Ow. Hey, look. Up here. There's a
Bald eagle. Laki.
Daddy, look. There's a river also on the wall.
Yes.
Look it down. Look it down. Look it down.
Look at the porcupine. Natutulog sila, guys. Look at the raccoon. He's too lazy.
The raccoon is chilling, sleeping peacefully, no deadlines to worry about. Right?
Gising yan pag gabi.
We can circle back here later when it's already around.
Oh, nag-stretching pa ang ate mo. What's that?
It's a beaver.
Alice!
It's Justin Bieber. Look.
Chipmunks.
Daddy, look. It's just
No, Johannes, you can't touch it. Say hi. Hi.
Say hi to the beaver.
There's a bee. Sitting on a wall.
That's not shark. It's so cute.
Oh, look. Hey, Daddy, what is
Yung
that?
buntot nila parang leather, no?
Look.
Ayan, no?
He doesn't be. Look.
Ang cute.
Look.
Halika na.
Are you having fun, Nicola?
Yeah.
Sobrang nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko dito, guys. Syempre, bago sa paningin nila eh. Walang ganito sa Pilipinas. And guess what? Ang binayaran lang naming mag-asawa is $9. Dalawa na kami dun. So, yung mga bata, free of charge sila. Etong peacock na to kanina papakalat-kalat dito. No! You can't touch it, Johannes. Hug. Gusto niya i-hug.
He's so cute.
You can touch it.
Yeah, there are
Ang daming duck. Nakakatuwa.
There's another peacock. But looks like a shark.
Kalat-kalat sila, oh. Johannes, what's that?
Ducks. Daddy, look. The ducks are swimming on the water. What does the duck say?
What does the duck say?
Go back.
What does the duck says? Nakakatuwa dito. Talagang family friendly siya. And buti na lang bukas tong park na to. Kasi nag-iisip kami kung saan dadalhin si Nicolo ngayong birthday niya. Kasi nga holiday dito. And ito nga, bukas tong wildlife park na to. May bago na naman kaming friends na masasalubong.
Ducks.
What's that?
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Pa-wild na ng pa-wild ang mga na-encounter namin. Ano kayang meron dito sa kagubatan na to?
times may anaconda na may sasalakay.
Parang nakakatakot. Parang anytime may anaconda. Pero ang ganda, tingnan mo yung reflection. So now we're going to the wolf.
Up.
Tulog yung fox, guys. So yung punta natin dito, yung wrong timing kasi puro tulog yung mga wild. Sa gabi sila talaga gising. It's cute. What's that? Para siyang squirrel. Squirrel na parang aso. Ayan sila. Coyote. Ganyan yung nakita ko sa release ng trend dito, guys.
They are opportunistic omnivores.
Nakakatakot yan kasi nang aatake yan.
Fine, the coyotes won't be able to come here.
Parang naghahanap sila ng pagkain. May isang wild dito. Hannes!
Nicolo, the coyote is staring at you. Look. Look at the coyote. Coyote. Have you seen the coyote? Have you seen it?
Bumalik kami dito sa Red Fox kasi gising na yung Red Fox. Kaya pala merong nagte-train.
Well, they take it all and bury it regardless, so.
Oh. What's that? Duck? Duck daw. It's an ostrich. Ang cute! Parang husky. Ay, ang dami nila pala. Hi! Pagod na ako kakabuhat sa bata na to, grabe. Likot-likot. Ayaw naman sumakay sa stroller. So guys, kung bibisita kayo dito, don't forget to bring stroller. Sa mga may junakis dyan, kasi mahaba-habang lakaran to, guys. Ay, may nakakasalubong na naman kami. Mag-anak sila.
Oh, there's the elk. There's the elk.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
Optimus was stand up and then walk.
Yeah, the other one is looking straight ahead for you. It's greeting you. Happy birthday, Nicolo.
Snacks muna kami guys. Grabe nakakapagod. Ayan. May mga snacks sila dito like ice cream, hot dogs. Itong wildlife park na to nagsasara siya ng 6:30 PM. Ayan.
Rubber sticks.
Anong in-order mo?
Pinipi.
Wow! Favorite talaga nila yung ice cream.
Drumstick. Tapos ito ay,
Sa
ice cream sandwich.
Ice cream! Ayan na ang ice cream body niya.
Ice cream sandwich. Ito na naman si
Wow!
si Energy.
Is it yummy? Hannes? Is it yummy? Yummy! Grilled cheese sandwich.
Papa toast. Papa toast. Papa toast.
Butter toast with cheese. Come on, eat. Sarap ng kain niyo. Ang sarap ng ice cream sandwich nila guys.
Ang gwapo niya.
If you guys are looking for a wild adventure close to home or nakatira kayo sa Nova Scotia or Dartmouth, I highly recommend this place dahil sobrang ma-enjoy to ng mga bagets nyo. 9/10 ang rating ko dito sa wildlife/zoo kasi sobrang budget friendly niya guys. Like, hindi kami gumastos ng masyadong magarbong birthday celebration. Imagine, $9, dalawa na kami ng asawa ko. And the entrance for the kids are free. So, worth it talaga siya para sa core memories ng aming mga anak. Yun lang guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And sorry kung ngayon lang ako napag-upload dahil ang daming ganap sa buhay natin guys. See you guys on the next vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
It's not